So once you are on your ChatGPT dashboard, now what I want to do is I want to actually share with you the best practices which should be actually taken care of while you actually prompt ChatGPT for any of your purpose, or you can say any of your questions which you have. So first thing is that do not actually go and haywire give any kind of question which is not properly framed, and you will not get a proper answer from ChatGPT. So what are the things which you need to care of? First thing is you need to be very clear and specific about the question which you want to ask. I will be actually taking an example and showing it to you, but let me just tell you some of the things. Just make a note of it, that you should give a proper context, because these GPTs, or you can say LLMs, work on context. If you have not given a proper context to ChatGPT, it is not going to actually give you a proper output. So the context is very important. The next one is that you need to actually set a format. In which format do you want it? So you want it in a list format, you want it in a PDF format, or in a Word format kind of thing. So giving it a format, like in which format you want it a downloadable file, or you just want to see the context, or you can see the output. Just you need to actually tell the same thing to ChatGPT. The next one is you need to actually step by step request ChatGPT to generate something for you. Do not actually go and just give an open-ended question and generate whatever you want. No, doesn't matter. It doesn't work like that. You have to actually give step by step request. Then next one is, which is very important, you have to actually set a role or a style by which ChatGPT should give you the answer. So let's say that you have to say that consider that you are a teacher for me, and then answer this question. Consider that you are a web developer or expert web developer, and now give me the answer for this question. So you need to set a role for that. Next one is that if the response is not that much perfect, you need to actually redefine it. You have to iterate again and again. Okay, so while doing that, you have to keep in mind that you need to actually check what output did you get last time, and what are the things you need to actually change next, means change, or can say improve next time while prompting to ChatGPT. It will remember what it has actually generated for the last time, and you need to go and improve things while, or can say improve your questioning skills or prompting skills, so that you get a proper answer. So that is it. And the last one is like checking the accuracy of it. So give proper technical details, whatever is required. So let's say that if you want to use some kind of tech stack, if you want to use any kind of specific language for which you want to get the code to be developed, all these things need to be set, and this whole thing is actually a context which you need to set. Let me give you a simple example. Now let's say that I want to, let's say, and we'll use all these things which I just shared with you, all these practices. Okay, could you, okay, now let's set the role first. So consider you are a financial expert. So this is where we are setting the role. Consider you are a financial expert. Give me the advice for managing my salary to repay my loan in next 3 years. Okay, let's just improve, or can say check the typos. Okay, cool. So consider you are a financial expert. Please give me the advice. Give me advice for, okay, on managing my salary to repay my loan in next 3 years. Okay, now first Now over here, this is still an open-ended question where you did not give any context. How much is your salary? How much is your loan? Which format do you want it in? So everything I want, I need to actually give it to ChatGPT, right? So now down, I'll tell my salary is rupees 1 lakh per month. Loan amount is 15 lakh. Rupees 15 lakh. Balance loan amount is is 12 lakh. And monthly expenditure is, let's say, 60,000. Monthly expenditure and investment rupees 60,000. So we're trying to actually set the context for it. Okay, done. And this much is done. So everything is done. And in which format do I want? Give me the results in Excel format. Okay, so if you see, we have actually taken care of most of the best practices which are required to prompt ChatGPT. Okay, once now I actually press enter over here, now it knows that what it has to do, it has the context with it, and it will try to give me all the details in an Excel format. So it's done. Cool. So it's the Excel which is created for me. If I would have not given this Excel or the format, it would have given me the table format, or can say the output over here itself. Okay, which will be a little bit what do you say, difficult for me to copy and then paste it in an Excel file. So I just go and click on over here and it gets downloaded. Cool. So it gets downloaded. Let's open it and let's see how the Excel looks like. Did it give us a proper result or not? It's opening. Just give me a minute. Okay, cool. So here it is. So if you can see, it has created this Excel where I am able to see how I can repay my loan in next 3 years. It has created a plan for me. Okay, now if you want ChatGPT to actually explain or give some explanation also, you can do that also. So if you go and just check, so this is how it is saying that you can do the payment of this thing, balance will be this much ongoing and all those things, and at the last of 3 years, see 36 months, your loan will be cleared. Cool. So this is how you actually go and prompt ChatGPT. This was a very simple example. You can actually go and ask whatever you want. Our aim is to create a dynamic website using ChatGPT and Claude. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.